up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl, Rare Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell like partners in them, because we litty over here. And without further doozy, yeah, y'all, we're doing an unboxing. We are doing an unboxing. So, let's get into it. Y'all done added some more. Y'all, my mom said if I keep adding these on, she was like, don't put no more. Yeah, my hands is ashy. I wash my hands. Okay, they're ashy. They're ashy. My mom was like, you better not put on no more bracelets because you're going to look like Mr. T's sister. And I told her, you're a hater. Y'all, this one is new to the collection. This one also is new to the collection. And then this little thin bangle is new to the collection. So, yeah, y'all, we draped up and dripped out. So, yeah. And y'all, that's actually a song, if you're wondering. Alright, so, hold on, y'all. I've seen that there's little packages in here. And of course they have my address on both sides. They wouldn't be a party if they didn't. So they got these in there. Yeah, I'm probably like, she keeps buying stuff. Yo, this is for my mom. She ain't here right now. She at work, so I could talk about it. But yeah, I'm trying to get my mom stuff for Mother's Day. Hold on, y'all. It's Nana Rare calling on the hotline. Hey, what's up, Nana? Nothing in the middle of the video. I told him that Nana Rare was calling on the hotline. Hold on. You want to tell the subscribers, hey? Hold on. You on speaker. Go ahead, Nana.
Hey subscribers, great Sunday. Thank you for supporting my granddaughter. Y'all have a wonderful day now. Okay, love you. Take talk to you later. Bye-bye.
All right, bye, Nana. Y'all, that's one of my hearts. That's one of my hearts. I have a few hearts, and that's one of them. And I'm saying hearts, because somebody probably like, what's she saying? I'm saying hearts. But yeah, y'all, I'm getting my mom stuff for Mother's Day. Did I say Valentine's Day or did I say Mother's Day? I don't know, y'all, I'm tripping. But Mother's Day, because, she's my mom. Of course. So I'm trying to, like, do something for her, my mom, and my auntie. So it's like, it's a secret. But yeah, y'all know I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna keep it going and stuff. I'm gonna let y'all know when I get stuff, when I put stuff together, because I think I'm gonna do like a gift bag that's gonna like fit one of each. So like my mom, my nana, my auntie OG, just get stuff that they like, little favorites, little trinkets and stuff, or if they got a favorite color, little stuff like that. I'm that type of person. So side note, when somebody asks me, Ty, because y'all know that's my real nickname. Y'all can call me Rare Secrets, Rare, or y'all can call me Ty, T-A-I. I don't care. Y'all my family. So when people say, Ty, what type of friend are you? Like, I'm very resourceful. I'm kind-hearted. I'm very territorial. I got your back to the end. I keep it real with you. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to be honest with you. I'll cry with you. I'll laugh with you. I'm just there. I'll keep your dirty little secrets. I'll keep your embarrassing moments. Or I even be embarrassing with you so you don't feel alone. So I'm that type of friend. But when it comes to like little stuff, because I'm the type of person like, sometimes you're just like, what do you get a person that has everything? Or what if that person's not into that? I'm still that type of person. I get what if gifts, or not what if gifts, but just because gifts, like birthdays, Friendsgiving, or just if my friend's feeling down, or even when it comes to a family member. I'm the type of person like, I'm not going to get you like BS. I'm going to get you stuff that you're going to really like, you can use, enjoy. So, thoughtful stuff like that. Like, when they be having those little parties on Instagram or on social media where they bring a basket and it's like everything in that basket is the same color. I'm into stuff like that. You want to have a girls' night out or a girls' night in, we watch movies and wear pajamas and eat junk food. I'm that type of friend, okay? Okay. So back to this. These items are from the Expressway. I got me one, y'all, because I had got the same bracelet and I broke it. So I got me a new one. So I got my mom one. It's actually a gold Pandora bracelet, and it says Pandora. Come on, work for me. Is it gonna do it, or are you gonna be mean and nasty today? Come on, y'all. I'm trying to get it to me see if I put my nail right here if it'll focus. Is it gonna focus? Y'all, it says Pandora right there. That's as good as it's gonna get. And it's I thought you could remove the links or something. That's how I broke it last time, because I was twisting it. But you can't add charms to here unless they're like real big charms, and I guess can go through this hoop. But you cannot twist these off to add charms to them. You just wear it, and it's a heart clasp. I'm not about to do this right now, cause I don't know. Yeah, it's a heart clasp, and you just wear it as a bracelet. Come on. Thank you. So I got my mommy one. So this is going to go along with her stuff. I might give her stuff soon, because my mom is so impatient, and when she be up in my room, she be snooping around. I don't mind her snooping around, but I mean like snooping around, like looking to see what she gonna get, because my mom, they be coming up here shopping and stuff. Let me get some lotion, let me get some, you got some deodorant, you got an extra toothbrush, toothpaste, because I be having like extra. I'm that friend that got extra everything too, so they be coming up here shopping. So my mom, she be coming up here, let me get a squirt of that perfume. Let me you got some lip gloss I can have? Give me a lotion. Give me So she be coming up here. So I might give this to her before then. But let me stop trying to put on this class. But this is so far her stuff. This was in the last video. This necklace that says mom. This necklace, I got me one also, so we have matching heart necklaces, because we got another one that says TMO, and it's like, it's a heart, like a heart, but it's like cut in the middle, so she has half and I have half, so it's cute. And this one is hers. I'll put that over there. And I also want to make her a charm bracelet, so we're going to have some matching charms. Oh wait, I'm not going to cut this and put all the charms in here. But I want to make her a charm bracelet, but I don't think the bracelet actually came yet. So I'll put y'all back on the line once I get the bracelet, and I'll just show y'all again the charms and how it looks together. So these are just the different charms I got her. Now my mom, she the type of person, she be like, I want a charm bracelet, I want it filled up. I told her, I said, Mom, give you a charm bracelet, but it's not filled up, girl. She looked at me and just like clutching her pearls, and I'm like, girl, even though these is from the expressway, these things still cost like this thing. What are you thinking about? Oh wait, I'll put it in this one. So these are all her charms. So this is, it has like the Minnie Mouse bow, and it says mom. Let me just put them all kind of in my hand. This one says 50, and I only got it because my mom is in her 50s, because I think this is for like the 50th anniversary for Disney, but my mom's 54, so I got this because she's in her 50s. This is a passport, an airplane, and luggage, because we're going to do some traveling. This is like a little iPod watch that says mom's calling, and either you can answer or hang up. And then this one says I love perfume. So let me just see if this is going to work. Hold on. And then the nails, I'll cut them down. I'm still having issues. So let's see. So yeah, that's those. And then I got this bracelet for me, because I like sometimes wearing silver and gold together. And I got this in the size 20, because y'all know my wrist is big. So when I get my bracelets, I try to get them in like a 20 or 21. Yeah, 21 centimeters. And then also, yeah, that's it. I don't know what I was about to say. Oh my goodness, hopefully this fits. Okay, yeah, it's gonna fit. So I'll just put it through this little prong thing. It's gonna be a little snuggety rug, but it's cool. And it just says love on here. L-O, the heart is the O, and then B-E. So it's cute. Something cute. Y'all know I love hearts. Let me throw that away. And then, let me open, let me see, this package. Got a package in the inside. Hold on, y'all. Let me open this one. And this already got packages in it, so I'm just about to open this one. real quick. I can feel them right there. Yep. Alright, I can open it from there. Alright. Alright, y'all. So I got this necklace made for myself. It's in stainless steel gold. And it just says Pooh Bear. My parents' name in high school was Mr. and Mrs. Sugar Bear. So basically the Sugar Bears came together and had a Pooh Bear. So I thought this was cute. Is it going to... Okay, there you go. Pooh Bear. Excuse me. Excuse me. It definitely gives 90 vibes, because remember back in the day when they had those big coin necklaces and stuff like that. So I just thought it was cute, because I had got the biggest one before. I don't know where it's at. I think I put it up. But I got a big one, and it's like this big. So I got the small one just to kind of wear, and you know. And then they had a medium-sized one, but I'm just like, no, that's probably going to be too big too. So I got that. Oh, that's cute. Y'all know I love Kuromi. So I got me a Kuromi little charm for my bracelet, because I got a bracelet band coming in also. And alright, and this is for me. I'm trying to make sure this is in gold and not rose gold. I guess it's in gold. So I got this necklace also made for me. It represents my great grandma and my grandma name. My great grandma's name is Sadie. May she rest in peace. Her birthday is right after mine, so every time my birthday ends at 12 o'clock, I always tell her happy birthday. And then this is that's my great grandma, and this is my grandma, which is my nana. Her name is Barbara. So which is her mom, so mother and daughter. But yeah, so I wanted a chain that had both of their initials on it and something cute, because I wear my grandma Sadie's name on a necklace. I wear that 24/7. I don't care what necklace I'm wearing. I'm always wearing that necklace. So now if I want to switch out, I could just wear this necklace, and I thought this was just so cute to have. So yeah. So this is the last one. Uh-oh. Oh, this is mine. I just got a regular heart chain. It's in stainless steel. And it actually matches the chain that's on my, right here, that's on my medical bracelet. I advise anyone that has any type of allergies, medical history, anything that, you know, someone would need to know if you happen to pass out, or if you're just, you know, Lord forbid, you deceased, or, you know, stuff like that. Get a medical band. You know, they got cute fancy dancy ones, they got regular ones, but definitely get one, like, especially if you have, you know, bee sting allergies, or epileptic, or, you know, stuff like that. So like I got my, you know, that I'm a, you know, MS patient, high blood pressure, you know, stuff like that on here, diabetic. So it's good to have the little chain thing like that. But basically my band is this chain, so I figured why not just get the chain by itself. So yeah, y'all, that is it. That is all I have for you today. Yeah, I ain't getting nothing else. Waiting for stuff to come in. Yeah, and then when I make my baskets, I'll definitely make them with you. Yeah, because of course my mom, I'm like, so I want to do this idea with that, and I want to buy this to put the stuff in, and she's like, well, what's the thing that you're putting the stuff in? She's like, because I want to see mine's in da-da-da. She's just so difficult. No, but I love her. I wouldn't trade her though. So yeah, when I make those baskets, definitely show y'all the process. I might even show y'all when I go shopping for this stuff. It's not gonna be nothing major. It's just gonna be, you know, from the heart. And y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.